Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Satyasivam Ji, respected Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Bimal Julka Ji, veteran photographer and Chairman of Jury Committee, Shri Ashok Dalwali Ji, esteemed dignitaries and media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome and thank you all in witnessing the proud moments of the award winners at the 3rd National Photography Awards organized by the Photo Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. I take this opportunity to welcome and thank the jury committee who have been associated with the process of scrutinizing, selecting and finalizing the award winners. The jury committee, which comprises of the eminent photographers, has given us the moments to cherish by presenting before us the artistic stills and creative vision of the winners. I take this opportunity to put forth a brief introduction of the jury committee members. It is my honor to introduce our first jury member, Shri D. Krishnan. Shri Krishnan joined the Hindu newspaper in 1978. He has covered sports assignments extensively at the national and international levels. He has photo featured extensively on tribal life also. It is noteworthy that he had stayed in Jaffna for 10 days as special assignment to photograph LTT leaders and their areas. In 1990, he was associated with the International Photo Agency, Associated Press. In 2005, he again joined the Hindu as the photo editor. He has long association with the Asian College of Journalism. Now, I introduce our second jury member, Shri S.N. Sinha. Shri Sinha started his career as a freelance photographer in 1971 for International News Photo Agency. In 1976, he joined Hindustan Times as photo editor and continued till 2006. Presently, President, Indian Journalist Union, he had also been associated with the Press Council of India and Central Press Accreditation Committee, PIB. And he headed the press operations of Delhi Commonwealth Games. He has been awarded Associateship of India International Photographic Council. He has also been a jury member for various international and national photo competitions, including UNESCO. Our third jury member, Shri Sandeep Shankar, incidentally he is not present here. Shri Shankar graduated from St. Stephen's College, New Delhi. He has been in this profession for the last 37 years. He served as a staff photographer for many media organizations like Hindustan Times, Anand Bazar Patrika, Times of India and Deccan Chronicle Group. He has done coffee table books on Havelis of Old Delhi, Childhood of India and a series on Sikh heritage. Now, the chairman of the jury committee, Shri Ashok Dalwali Ji. Shri Ashok Dalwali Ji, he has been in this profession of photography for the last 42 years. Fascinated with the beauties of Himalayas, he has captured the varied moods of its landscape. He has inherited the art of photography from his father, late Shri B.K. Dalwali, who was also a renowned professional photographer. 23 of his books have been published also. Presently, he is working on Ansel Adams, the world's greatest landscape photographer, a tribute to the master with his best monochrome landscapes shot over the last 3 decades. His studio, Kinsey Brothers, established in 1905, is the oldest in northern India. I also extend my sincere thanks to Shri Sanjeev Mishra, member convener of the jury committee and senior photographic officer of the photo division, who has worked persistently for convening the meetings of the committee and provided all support to reach to a final decision. I once again thank the jury members for sparing the valuable time and kind support. Now, I would like to invite our esteemed jury members, Shri D. Krishnan and Shri S. Sinha, to kindly come on stage, along with Mr. Sanjeev Mishra also. And I'll request our Joint Secretary, Shri Anurag Srivastav, to kindly present them with shawls as a token of our respect and appreciation. Please, sir.